Dear students, in my previous video, we know about what is integer and addition and subtraction of integers. So in this class, let us know about the multiplications of integers. So the next is multiplication of integers. Before going to know about multiplication of integers, we must know these functions. That is, plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus. So in generally we can say that if two numbers have same sign, then the resultant is positive. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಎರಡೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Here the two numbers are positive numbers, therefore the resultant is also positive. Next, minus 5 into minus 6, the answer is plus 30 because the two numbers have same sign, therefore the resultant is plus. So next is, if two numbers have different sign, then the resultant is minus. So for example, minus 5 into 6, here the two numbers have different sign. Here 5 has minus and 6 has plus, therefore the resultant is minus. 5 into 6 is 30. So next, 5 into minus 6, here 5 is positive and 6 is negative. They have different sign, therefore the resultant is minus. So 5 into 6 is 30. Next, next students, properties of integers. In that, closure property. So closure under additive. If a and b are two numbers of integer, then a plus b is also integer. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಆ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ 5 is an integer and 6 is an integer. Let's call 5 as a and 6 as b. Now a plus b is also integer ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So let's check. So a is 5 plus b is 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 is an integer. Therefore we can say that integers are closed under addition. Closed under addition. Next property is closed under subtractive. Look at here. If a and b are two numbers of integer, then a minus b is also in integer. So a comma b belongs to z, then a minus b also belongs to z. This is symbolical representation of closed under subtractive. So let's check. So we know, let's take a as 11 and b as minus 13. So they are saying a minus b belongs to z, therefore a minus b, which implies a andre 11 minus b andre minus 13, therefore it becomes 11 minus of minus 13. 11 minus of minus is plus, so plus 13. So when we add this, we get 24. We know that 24 belongs to integer. Therefore we can say that integers are closed under subtractive. Next property is closed under multiplication. If a and b are two numbers of integer, then a into b is also in integer. So symbolically a comma b belongs to z, then a into b belongs to z. Check ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 5 a ನ 5 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, b ನ -8 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So a into b is 5 into -8. So 5 8s are 40. Look at here, the signs are different, therefore we have to take minus. So the resultant is -40, which belongs to z. Therefore we can say that integers are closed under multiplication. So the next property is closed under division. Look at here, if a and b are two numbers of integer, then a divided by b is also in integer. So symbolically we can represent it as a comma b belongs to z, then a divided by b belongs to z. For example, 5, take a as 5 and b as 10. So b as 10, therefore a divided by b, which implies 5 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5 2s are, therefore the resultant is 1 by 2. We know that integers have positive counting numbers and negative counting numbers, but 1 by 2 is not in integers. Therefore we can say that integer is not closed under division. So student, this is about the closure property of integers. So in our next class, let us know about other properties of integers.